I'm gonna show you how to set up Gmail in Microsoft Outlook. For set up Gmail in Microsoft Outlook, we just open our Gmail account. In Gmail, we want to go setting, see all setting, then forward and pop IMAP. Must enable pop for all mail and enable IMAP. Now save change. Now we go manage your Google account, then security. In security tab, must your Google account means Gmail have two-step verification. My Gmail already have two-step verification, so I need to do it. Now I go app password. Here type Outlook. Here a new password generate for Outlook. New password generate for Outlook. Now we go Outlook, Microsoft Outlook. Here type our Gmail account. Then click advanced option. Then click IMAP. Sign in. It pop-up is signing for Gmail account. Here it need to sign in our Gmail. That means enter a password for Gmail, not a app generated password. Type password for Gmail. I type my Gmail password, then next. Here asks two-step verification. That means our phone need to allow this. It asks it's me and press yes on my iPhone. I already type yes on my iPhone. Here pop up Gmail. I click accept. Done, successfully done. Gmail is set up on Outlook. It synchronizes all my inbox. That makes some few times. Here we see synchronize inbox. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.